Well, I found a bigger Allen wrench, slightly tighter fit. I got the one on the other side loose, but this one has got a soak. And I put the PB Blaster on it, and I give a little, just tap it with a hammer so it vibrates, and maybe it'll get sucked in the nooks and crannies. And now I found out why I got this bar. It's not a real expensive bar, it's a cheap one. And the chrome is pitted, and that's probably why whoever got rid of it cheap or threw it out. I forgot where the heck I got it. But the chrome was peeling off around here, and his bearings doesn't want to go around all the way. Or maybe that's a thread, I'm not sure. Oh, this other one. Just a learning experience. Oh, that's a thread, that ain't a bearing. Live and learn. Okay. So that's all got to be soaked up. Soaked up and get it apart. And I'm using this beat up sharpening stone. Seems to work. I tried the sandpaper, but this seems to be working better. Got kind of a natural curve going here, and that's just... Let me see if we can get this up a little higher here. I like these gloves from Temu, man. You can press the buttons on your phone, and it's like just like you're in your fingers, bare fingers. So I'm trying to keep the motion going here and knock down those ridges. There's like a bunch of metallic blisters. We'll oil this all up and put it back together once I get all the rust off it. But I won't subject you to any more boredom here. God bless you.